आप सब लोग ये कंफर्म करना है कि ऑडियो क्लियर है, वीडियो क्लियर है और मैं हैंडसम हूं। అవసరం లేదు చేత్తో చేసుకుంటాం। आप सब लोग ये कंफर्म करना है कि ऑडियो क्लियर है, वीडियो क्लियर है और मैं हैंडसम हूं। अभी ऑडियो क्लियर है ना भाई? अभी ऑडियो क्लियर है ना? तो कोई मुझे याद दिला सकते हैं कि कल का क्लास में क्या हुआ था? कोई मुझे याद दिला सकते हैं कि कल का क्लास में हमने क्या किया था? कोई मुझे याद दिला सकते हैं कि कल का क्लास में हमने क्या किया था? आई थिंक ग्रामर्स खत्म हो गए ना? आई थिंक हमने रेगुलर ग्रामर्स देख रहा था। आई थिंक हम देख रहा था रेगुलर ग्रामर्स। आई थिंक हम देख रहा था रेगुलर ग्रामर्स। और आज का भी क्लास यही होगा। और आज का भी क्लास रेगुलर ग्रामर्स होगा। आज का भी क्लास रेगुलर ग्रामर होगा। ठीक है। मैं क्लास शुरू करने के पहले एक रियल हीरो के बारे में बोलना चाहता हूं। उसका नाम है नंबी नारायण। नंबी नारायण। नंबी नारायण एक केमिकल इंजीनियर थे जो रॉकेट साइंटिस्ट में बन गया है। एंड ही हेल्प्ड पायनियर इंडियंस लिक्विड प्रोपेलेंट इंजन। मतलब लिक्विड प्रोपेलेंट इंजन तब तक नहीं था, लेकिन नंबी नारायण ने ये इंजन को इन्वेंट किया था इन 1970s। इन 1994 उसके ऊपर फॉल्स, वो उसको क्या बोलते हैं, फॉल्स एस्पियोनेज, मतलब हिंदी वर्ड क्या है एस्पियोनेज? मतलब गलती इंसाफ, गलती कुछ उसके बारे में कुछ गलती आ, आ, बातें किया है। इसके वजह से उसका करियर एंड रेपुटेशन पूरा खराब हो गया। लेकिन वो कोर्ट्स में और मीडिया में बहुत फाइट किया था, बहुत फाइट किया था। और उसके बाद वो साइंस पे फिर से वापस आया और बहुत सारा यंग इंजीनियर्स को अपना नॉलेज और एक्सपर्टाइज को शेयर किया है थ्रू हिज राइटिंग्स। टुडे इंडिया का क्रायोजेनिक इंजन पावर है दैट हैज द हेवीएस्ट रॉकेट्स, वो डिजाइन किया है नंबी नारायण में। इसमें लेसन क्या है? ट्रू रेजिलियंस इज रीबिल्डिंग योर लेगेसी आफ्टर इट हैज बीन शैटर्ड। आप ना ये स्टोरी में से आपको एक सुनना पड़ेगा। ये स्टोरी में से ना आपको एक बात लर्न करना पड़ेगा कि भाई लाइफ में ऊपर नीचे होता है। ये स्टोरी में से ना आपको ये चीज याद रखना है कि हमारा लाइफ में कभी ऊपर जाते हैं, कभी नीचे आते हैं, कभी ऊपर जाते हैं, कभी नीचे आते हैं। ये लाइफ का प्रिंसिपल है। यू विल अचीव समथिंग एंड देन यू विल फॉल डाउन, एंड अगेन यू विल अचीव समथिंग एंड देन अगेन यू फॉल डाउन। ये तो होता है, लेकिन एग्जैक्टली लाइफ में ये नहीं होगा। लाइफ में ऐसा होता है, लाइफ में ऐसा होता है, हमारा लाइफ ऐसा होता है। ठीक है। आवर नेक्स्ट लो विल बी हायर देन द प्रीवियस लो। जरूर फेल्यूर तो आएगा लाइफ में, लेकिन नेक्स्ट फेल्यूर जो है पहले का फेल्यूर से ज्यादा ऊंचा होता है। और नेक्स्ट फेल्यूर जो है पहले फेल्यूर से ज्यादा ऊंचा होता है। दिस इज हाउ लाइफ इज। और ये आप ए हीरो के बारे में जान सकते हैं, नंबी नारायण। नंबी नारायण इज ए रियल हीरो। आप जो देख रहे हैं ना, यूट्यूबर्स को, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को फॉलो करते हैं ना, वो रियल हीरोज नहीं है। मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूं कौन रियल हीरो है। ठीक है। तो आज का कॉन्सेप्ट होगा रेगुलर ग्रामर्स। तो आप इसका कर लेना a पावर n b पावर n सच दैट n इज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 1। इसको करके टेलीग्राम में डाल देना, इसको करके टेलीग्राम में डाल देना। a power n b power n such that n is greater than or equal to 1। टेलीग्राम चैनल में डाल देना आंसर को। आंसर को टेलीग्राम चैनल में डाल देना। ये तो इजी है ना। s derives a power n s derives a s b और a b। ये तो इजी है। s derives a s b और a b, ये तो इजी है। ठीक है, आप ना ये ट्राई करना ये ग्रामर का पैलिंड्रोम्स। हमने पैलिंड्रोम्स देखा है क्या? कल हमने पैलिंड्रोम्स को देखा है क्या? कल हमने पैलिंड्रोम्स को देखा है क्या? कल हमने पैलिंड्रोम्स को देखा है क्या? देख लिया पैलिंड्रोम्स को? ठीक है, अभी ये बताना ए स्टार बी स्टार का ग्रामर देना। ए स्टार बी स्टार का ग्रामर देना। ए स्टार तो होगा ए फॉलोड बाई ए और एप्सिलॉन। बी स्टार तो होगा बी फॉलोड बाई बी और एप्सिलॉन। और ए स्टार बी स्टार को बाजू में रखना है, तो क्या होगा? ए डिराइव्स ए बी होगा, एस डिराइव्स ए बी होगा, एस विल बिकम ए बी। ओके, S will become AB. Can you draw for A plus B star? Can you give the grammar for A plus B star? And one more thing, this grammar is context-free grammar. This grammar is context-free grammar. I want a regular grammar for this. How can I write A star B star? A star B star can be any number of A's followed by B's followed by any number of B's। A star B star, B के बाद A should not come, B के बाद A should not come। Okay, so let it be A, let it be B, let it be C। Okay, eliminate C को eliminate कर देना। Now you can draw the grammar। कैपिटल A स्मॉल a को देख के, कैपिटल A on seeing small a is going to capital A, and capital A on seeing small b is going to capital B, and capital B on seeing B is going to capital B, on C is going to capital B, and A and B both are final, therefore epsilon epsilon। A and B both are final states, therefore epsilon and epsilon, epsilon and epsilon। Can you give the grammar for A plus B star? A plus B star, write it in the Telegram channel। Can you give me the grammar for A plus B star? Write it in the Telegram channel। CN, in order to learn CN, please join फिजिक्स वाला का फुल सब्सक्रिप्शन। प्लीज टेक फुल सब्सक्रिप्शन फ्रॉम फिजिक्स वाला। ठीक है, A plus B star. Can someone answer me in the telegram about what is the grammar for A plus B star? What is the grammar for A plus B star? कोई आंसर नहीं किया। इतना मुश्किल है क्या? एक आदमी ने किया है, पोर्शिया। वेरी गुड पोर्शिया। पोर्शिया, वेरी गुड। पोर्शिया, वेरी गुड। वेरी गुड पोर्शिया। जीवा, वेरी गुड। जीवा, वेरी गुड। अनुज, आप ये आपने जो दिया है ना अनुज, अनुज आंसर ए दिया है। अनुज ने दिया है कि ए फॉलोड बाय ए कामा बी। ये क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस लैंग्वेज? दिस लैंग्वेज इज स्टार्टिंग विथ ए। दिस लैंग्वेज इज स्टार्टिंग विथ ए। दिस लैंग्वेज इज स्टार्टिंग विथ ए। ठीक है। ऑलमोस्ट एवरीवन इज एबल टू गिव context free grammar, but I want regular grammar. Can someone try and get regular language, regular grammar? Can someone try and get regular grammar? रेगुलर ग्रामर का ट्राई कर सकते हैं क्या? कैन समवन ट्राई एंड डू रेगुलर ग्रामर? So you can give context free grammar, है ना? You can give context free grammar. How are you going to give context free grammar? First generate A plus, then generate B star. How can I generate A plus? A derives A or A. This is A plus. How can I generate B star? B derives BB or epsilon is B star. है ना? Now you have to put them side by side. Now you have to put them side by side, right? So what do I get? AB. What do I get? AB. You can put them side by side. But what I want is not context free. This is context free grammar. Can someone show me the regular grammar for this? Can someone show me the regular grammar for this? Can someone show me the regular grammar for this? I want right linear grammar. I want right linear grammar. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है, बाद में ना कहना कुछ भी, पहले दे दू वार्निंग। पार्टी चलेगी टिल 8:30 PM. So party will go on till 8:30 PM. बाद में ना कहना कुछ भी, पहले दे दू वार्निंग। पार्टी चलेगी टिल 8:30 PM, राइट? सो इसको हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू राइट इट? A plus B star, right? So I can write it as A star followed by B star. So I can write it as A. On seeing a, I will accept. What is the minimal string here? The minimal string here is A. If I put a 0 here and 0 here, the minimal string is A. So you should accept A. After A, you can accept any number of A's and then any number of B's. Any number of B's. Okay? Any number of B's. Right? Right? So, when you are trying to draw a grammar, you can go with NFA. There is no need for DFA. You can directly use NFA and convert it into regular grammar. You can directly use NFA and convert it into regular grammar, right? So you have A here, B here and C here. You have A here, B here and C here, right? So capital A on small a is going to capital B, and capital B on small a is going to capital B. Capital B on small a is going to capital B, and capital B on small b is going to capital C. Capital B on small b is going to capital C. And what is C doing? C on seeing a B is going to C, right? Now both B and C are final. So write epsilon here, epsilon here. What is this grammar, guys? This is the right linear grammar. This is the right linear grammar for the given language. Therefore, this is regular grammar. Therefore, this is regular grammar. तो ये बन जाएगा रेगुलर ग्रामर. ये बन जाएगा रेगुलर ग्रामर. Now you try for this one. A plus B plus. Try for A plus B plus. I will give you 5 minutes time. I will give you 5 minutes time. In this 5 minutes, you give me regular grammar. Okay? You give me regular grammar. I will give you 5 minutes of time. I'll give you 5 minutes of time. Okay? A plus B plus. वेरी गुड, बहुत लोग ने किया है। रोशन वेरी गुड, चांदनी वेरी गुड, देबोलिना वेरी गुड, ऋषि वेरी गुड, आताई वेरी गुड, पोर्शिया वेरी गुड, हर्ष वेरी गुड। सब लोग ने आंसर सही किया है, तो शायद मुझे एक्सप्लेन करने का जरूरत ही नहीं है। एक्सप्लेन करूं क्या? आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए क्या? सब लोग सही किया है, सब लोग ने सही किया है। मैं एक्सप्लेन करूं कि नहीं? एनीवन वांट्स एक्सप्लेनेशन? एक बार कमेंट में कर देना। किसी को एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए क्या? एक बार कमेंट में कर दो। अगर एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए, ठीक है, मैं एक्सप्लेन करूंगा। पहले ए प्लस बी प्लस, ए प्लस को जनरेट करो, ए डिराइव्स, और बी प्लस को जनरेट करो। ये दोनों के बाजू में रख दो। ये क्या हुआ? दिस इज ए ग्रामर, कॉन्टेक्स्ट फ्री ग्रामर हुआ, बट आई वांट रेगुलर ग्रामर। फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा को ड्रॉ कर लो ए प्लस बी प्लस के लिए। क्या आएगा फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा में? इफ आई ड्रॉ ए फाइनाइट ऑटोमेटा, व्हाट विल आई गेट? हाउ कैन आई राइट ए प्लस बी प्लस? A plus B plus is equal to A star B B star, right? What is the minimal string? I should accept A B, right? The minimal string in this language is A B, so I have to accept A B. I have to accept A B, right? Now after A, any number of A's may come, and after a B, any number of B's may come. After A, any number of A's may come, and after a B, any number of B's can come. Any number of B's can come. Right? Can you do it now? Take 2 minutes and at least now try to solve it. At least now try to solve it. At least now try to solve it. You can at least do now. It is very simple, right? You can at least do now. It is very simple, right? How can you do it? Capital A on seeing small a is going to state B. Capital A on seeing small a is going to state C, state B. And capital B on seeing a small a is going to state B, and on seeing a small b is going to state C. And capital C on seeing a small b is going to small c. Capital B on seeing a small b is going to C, is going to C. Now C is the final state, therefore put epsilon. Now what is this grammar? This grammar is right linear grammar for the language A plus B plus. Right linear grammar for the language A plus B plus. Okay, right linear grammar for the language A plus B plus. Hello, मैं देख के बताता हूँ। मैं ऑफिस में नहीं हूँ। ठीक, ओके। Now I will give you one more question. You try to solve that. Okay. If I give you A star B plus, if I give you A star B plus, give me regular grammar. Give me regular grammar. A star B plus. A star B plus. A star B plus. What's up? What's up? Hello? 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 Hello, Anna. WhatsApp check check. WhatsApp. WhatsApp check check. Class. Class లో ఉన్నా. Class లో ఉన్నా. Okay. Try करना. Don't give up. Don't give up. Just try. Don't give up. Just try. Okay. Don't give up. Just try. टेलीग्राम चैनल में लिखना. आपका आंसर्स टेलीग्राम चैनल में लिखना. वेरी गुड जीवा. वेरी गुड प्रशांत. वेरी गुड अनुज. वेरी गुड प्रशांत. वेरी गुड हर्षिता. सब लोग ने आंसर किया है. वेरी गुड अरुण. सब लोग ने आंसर किया है. एवरीवन हैज आंसर्ड द क्वेश्चन. शुड आई एक्सप्लेन यू द क्वेश्चन और स्किप इट? Should I explain the question or skip it? Anyone wants explanation for this? Say yes in the comments. Anyone wants? Anyone wants? Okay, I'll explain it. See this? You can generate A star and B plus. How can you generate A star? A derives A or epsilon is A star. A derives A or epsilon is A star. Is A star. B derives BB or small b is B plus. Now you can directly write like this. S derives AB. You can directly write it as S derives AB. You can directly write it as S derives AB. Right? 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 Now I want you to do regular grammar. Regular grammar. आंसर करना टेलीग्राम में आंसर करना. टेलीग्राम ने बहुत लोग ने आंसर किया है, सही किया है, ऑलमोस्ट ऑलमोस्ट सही किया है। देबोलिना सही है, हर्ष सही है, ऑलमोस्ट सब लोग सही किया है। पोर्शिया सही है, जीवा सही है, रोशन सही है, ऑलमोस्ट सब लोग सही किया है। शुड आई एक्सप्लेन और शुड आई स्किप? इसको एक्सप्लेन कर दूं या स्किप कर दूं? आप बताओ कि इसे एक्सप्लेन कर दूं या स्किप कर दूं? आप बताओ कि इसे एक्सप्लेन कर दूं या स्किप कर दूं? ठीक है, so I want to talk to you about one more leader, Nandan Nilekani. Nandan Nilekani, co-founder of Infosys in 1981. He started Infosys in 1981. I was not born, you are not born, but he started it in 1981. Then he started with a $250 investment and 6 engineers in Pune. उसने सिर्फ $250 इन्वेस्टमेंट डाला है. He has invested only $250 and he had only 6 engineers in Pune. And then he bootstrapped through the global recession. He didn't take any funding. He used his own money when there was global recession. ठीक है, delivering software services door to door overseas before outsourcing was fashionable. Outsourcing was not in the trend. Infosys invented the trend of outsourcing, where if you are a company, you can outsource all your tech to the other company. Okay, that was started by Nandan Nilekan. He was an architect for Aadhaar. You must be knowing Aadhaar card, right? He is the architect, and he built the world's largest biometric ID. He built the world's largest biometric ID. 1.3 billion people have Aadhaar cards now. Just imagine how big the project is. 1.3 billion biometrics have to be shared, have to be saved, and they have to be checked, right? Right? So what is the lesson you can get? Vision scales when you are blend entrepreneurial grit with commitment. When you have commitment, you can definitely achieve anything. So he is a hero whom no one knows about it. No one knows that Nandan Nilekani is the one of the key members in making Aadhaar cards a success. He made Infosys a success and he made Aadhaar card a success. Okay, his name is Nandan Nilekani. ठीक है, तो shall I skip this one? Shall I skip this one? Okay, simple है. We will do. What is A star? A star B plus. I can write A star B plus as A star followed by B star, right? So any number of A's can come. Any number of A's can come. After that a B may come, and then any number of B's may come. Any number of B's may come. Right? Let us say this is A, this is B. How are you going to write the productions? A on seeing small a is going to A. A on seeing small a is going to A. Right? Right? A on seeing small a is going to A. Now A on seeing a small b is going to B. A on seeing a small b is going to B. And what about B? B on seeing a small b is going to B. And since B is the final state, I will put epsilon. What is this? This is the right linear grammar. This is the right linear grammar. This is the right linear grammar. These people are my role models. These people. Nambi Narayan is my role model. Nandan Nilekani is my role model, right? All of you say Jai Hind. Jai Hind. We have great leaders, great role models, but no one knows about them. These are the heroes who don't have titles. इसको टाइटल का जरूरत ही नहीं है, but no one talks about them, no one talks about their achievement. And in everywhere in the YouTube channels there are people who say कर सकते हो, करो, तुम बन सकते हो, बनो, पैशन को फॉलो करो, तुम्हारा पैशन को फॉलो करो. You will see these guys, but these guys just do their work. They will not do anything extra. That is why you don't hear about them. They will not motivate people. They work with motivated people. They inspire. These people, they inspire. Okay. अभी इसका करना a power n, b power n, c power m such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. N comma m is greater than or equal to 1. Write the grammar for this. If anyone can write regular grammar for this, you will get a Turing Award. If anyone writes regular grammar for this, you will get a Turing Award. ठीक है? So a power n, b power n, infinite comparison, Turing machine, finite automata cannot do infinite comparison. Finite automata cannot do infinite comparison. Finite automata cannot do infinite comparison. So a power n, b power n cannot be generated by finite automata. You have to generate separately. So how can I write this grammar? A power n, b power n, c power m. This is not equal to a star, b star, c star. This is not equal to this. B's, A's and B's should be equal and C's can be anything, right? This is equal to A power n, B power n followed by C star. First you generate A power n, B power n, then you generate C star, then you put them side by side. First you generate A power n, B power n, then you generate C star, then you put them side by side. That's it. Over. At least now answer in the Telegram. I have given you the entire procedure. I have given you the entire procedure. At least now answer in the Telegram. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. दरवाजे को गुंडी मारो, कोई ना अंदर आने पाए. आरबीआर को समझा दो म्यूजिक गलती से भी रुक ना पाए. टकर टकर जो फील करे वो जाके दो कॉफी पी ले. जिसको डांस नहीं आता है जाके अपना बेस चलाए. Dance to my tunes, dance to my tunes, dance to my tunes. जी भर के नाच ले बेबी, नाच नाच के तोड़ दे सैंडल. आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी तो आरबीआर करेगा हैंडल. ठीक है? डांस विथ मी, डांस विथ मी. दिस इज इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. यू कैन डांस. वेरी गुड. बहुत लोग ने दिया है. वेरी गुड. ऋषि वेरी गुड. Sashank very good. Chandni very good. Chandni very good. బోర్డు వచ్చిందా? ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్. Try doing it. Try doing it. Try doing it. So, first we will generate a power n, b power n. First we will generate a power n, b power n. How? A derives a, b or ab. First you generate a power n, b power n, and then you generate any number of c's. B derived. C's can be anything. C, C or C. At least one C should be there. That is why C, C or C. Now you are going to put S derives A followed by B. S derives A followed by a B. S derives A followed by a B. A power n, B power n. S derives A followed by a B. Right? Right? Now you do it for this one. A power n, B power m, C power n such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. A power n, B power m, C power n such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. If anyone is able to do this, they will get below 100 if they work hard. If anyone is able to do this, they will get below 100 rank if they work hard. Try for it. Don't give up. No one has given the right answer. No one has given the right answer. No one has given the right answer. Chandini, you are almost right. Chandini, you are almost right, but there is a small mistake. Chandini, I will take your answer and explain. Chandini, I will take your answer and explain. I will take your answer and explain. Okay? I will take your answer and explain. I will take your answer and explain. Okay? I will take your answer and explain. Chandini, you are almost right. I will take your answer and I will explain you. Shashank, you are right. Shashank, you are right. Portia, there is a small change required. There is a small change required. I think only Prashant has given the right answer. So far, only Prashant has given the right answer. So far, only Prashant has given the right answer. So far, only Prashant has given the right answer. Okay, so I will give you the right answer here. So, first you have to generate equal number of A's and C's. First you have to generate equal number of A's and C's. है ना? First you need to generate equal number of A's and C's, right? S derives A, S, C. This will generate equal number of A's and B's, right? A's and C's. Matlab S can generate A, S, C, and S can generate A, S, C, and S can generate A, S, C, right? Now in middle you have to put B power M, right? So what is this language actually? This language is actually A power N, B star, C power N. A's and C should be equal. In between there need not be any B's. A's and C's can be equal. A's and C's can be equal, but in between there can be any number of B's. But in between there can be any number of B's. So what I will do is I will stop S by taking a variable A. Now the purpose of variable A is to generate any number of B's. Now the purpose of variable A is to generate any number of B's, right? So I will end S with A. Now the purpose of A is to generate any number of B's, right? It can generate any number of B's, but at least one B should be there. M is greater than or equal to 1, right? At least one B should be there. At least one B should be there. Now the mistake that you have done is, the problem with this is S can derive A can derive B. The problem with this is S can derive A can derive B. S can derive A can derive B. That is the problem. B is generated, but what is the minimal string in the language? The minimal string in the language is A, B, C, right? Minimal string in the language is A, B, C, but we are generating A directly. To avoid that, you put AC here so that even if S takes A, C and A derives B, even in this case, the smallest string generated will be ABC. 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 Okay. Okay. That's it. Okay. Now let me show you one more hero. His name is Raghunath. Mashelkar. He is the Director General of CSIR in late 1980s. India's premier research labs. CSIR means research labs. India's premium research labs were underfunded. हमारे पास we didn't have funding for labs and disconnected from the industry. We don't have any connection with the industry, right? Then he championed Jan Ashadi. I don't know Hindi ka meaning, but then he championed Jan Ashadi, which means affordable medicines. Jan Aushadi. Aushadi. I am little bit weak in Hindi, so this is called Jan Aushadi. Jan Aushadi means affordable medicines. Defended India's patent laws at the global tribunals and forged university industry partnerships. Matlab, he has brought affordable medicines available to the public, to the poor people, and he has joined the universities and industries together and transformed CSIR into a dynamic innovative engine. Now everyone's dream is to join CSIR only because of this man. filing thousands of patents and launching life-saving technologies. Now CSIR has lot of patience, lot of patents. Okay, what is the lesson that you can learn from him? Leadership in engineering means turning bureaucracies into incubators for societal solutions. मतलब leadership in engineering is turning bureaucracies means what? Bureaucrats, right? Bureaucrats means IAS officers, IPS officers, turning them into incubators. Bureaucracies are now turned into incubators for societal solutions, right? He is a hero. Raghunath is a hero, the real hero who has made CSIR. Apna, you have to follow such people, you have to talk about such people, you have to think about such people. ठीक है? ये जो आता है ना, some I don't know, some biceps something, some I don't want to take any name, but then whatever it is, those are not the real role models. Don't follow the influencers, follow these people. These are the real heroes. I will introduce you to real heroes. Okay, okay, it is almost 1 hour. We will take a small break. Okay, it is almost 1 hour. We will take a small break and then we will return. Okay. తెల్లవారితే కనురెప్పల తొలి మెలకువ నువ్వే నా గుప్పెడు గుండెల్లో చిరు చప్పు. This is not regular. Finite automata cannot do comparison. Finite automata cannot do comparison. This is not regular. Okay. Finite automata cannot do infinite comparison. Therefore, you have to give context-free grammar. Okay. Try to give context-free grammar in the Telegram. Try to do context-free grammar in the Telegram. Very good. Many people have done it. Jiva, very good. Rishi, very good. Prashant, very good. Very good. Three people have given right answer. Three people have given right answer. Hello? नहीं वो बोल रहा है कि 1 और घंटा लगेगा. ठीक ठीक है अभी भेज सकते हैं. Only 3 people have answered it. What are others doing? Try for it. Only 3 people are able to answer it. I don't know what others are doing. It is very simple, right? अभी पुष्पा पुष्पा मत करना. पुष्पा तो आएगा. मेघना पुष्पा तो आएगा और हम झुकेंगे नहीं. पुष्पा तो आएगा. पुष आएगा, पॉप आएगा और पुष्पा भी आएगा. हम झुकेंगे नहीं. ठीक है, झुकेंगे नहीं. ठीक है, पहले इसको वी विल डू दिस. ए पावर एन, बी पावर एन, सी पावर एम, डी पावर एन. ठीक है. सो फर्स्ट यू जनरेट ए पावर एन, बी पावर एन equal and then generate c power n, d power n and then put them side by side. ठीक है. Now a derives a or b or ab. B derives cb or d or cd. S derives ab. Over this is the context free grammar. Over this is the context free grammar, isn't it? This is the context free grammar. ठीक है. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. ठीक है. जिसको डांस नहीं करना है जाके अपना भैंस चराए. जिसको डांस नहीं करना है जाके अपने भैंस चराए. ठीक है. Can anyone do for this? A power n, b power n, c power n such that n is greater than or equal to 1. A power n, b power n, c power n such that n is greater than or equal to 1. Can anyone do this? If someone can give context-free grammar for this language, you will get a Turing Award. You know what? The highest award that is awarded in computer science is Turing Award. Turing Award is the highest award. We don't have Nobel Prize. We don't have Nobel Prize for computer science. But last year, 3 people have got Nobel Prize in computer science for their applications in medicine. Computer science log the, but then their applications were in medicine. That is why they got this Nobel Prize. The problem is Nobel, who invented the Nobel Prize, he clearly has written that Nobel Prizes have to be given only in 5 fields. During that time, computer science was not there. That is why there were no Nobel Prizes for computer science. But highest award is Turing Award. If you can if you can give a context-free grammar for this, you will get a Turing Award. Why don't you try? Why don't you try? Some people are trying it. Okay, I will explain you. This is not context free. This is not context free. This is not context free. ठीक है? This is context sensitive language. We will see this later. We will see this later. We will see this later. ठीक है? Now do for this a power n b power 2n such that n is greater than or equal to 1. A power n b power 2n such that n is greater than or equal to 1. Such that n is greater than or equal to 1. A power n b power 2n. Very good, Shatrujit Mishra. Very good, Shatrujit Mishra. Let me see in Telegram how many of you have answered it. Wow, I got lot of answers. I got lot of answers for this question. Shashank, very good. Chandini, very good. Prashant, very good. Aniruddha, very good. Aniruddha, very good. Rohan, very good. Roshan, very good. Five, 6 people have given the answer. I think everyone got it. So I got one more answer. Portia, very good. चीते की चाल, बाज की नजर और पोर्शिया की आंसर कभी गलत नहीं होती. ठीक है? पोर्शिया, very good. You have been answering every question, Portia. You will get a rank within 100 if you work hard. ठीक है? Jiva, very good, man. Jiva, very good. ठीक है? So let me explain. For every A, there should be 2 B's generated. For every A, there should be 2 B's generated. For every A, there should be 2 B's generated, right? Right? So what I do is S derives ASBB or ABB. 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 Right? Right? Got it? Simple, right? I'll give you one more question. Try to do this. I'll give you one more question. Try to do this. Okay? The question is A power n, B power m, C power m, D power n such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. Try to do this. Try to do this. Answer it in the Telegram channel. Answer it in the Telegram channel. Answer the grammar in Telegram channel. I will see your answers. Very good. Very good. Excellent. 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 Very good. Excellent. Chandini, very good. Rishi, very good. Shashank, very good. Prashant, very good. Aniruddha, very good. Anuj, very good. Harshita, very good. Prashant, very good. Atai, very good. Jiva, very good. Portia, very good. Portia, very good. Portia, very good. Portia, very good. You know, in our Telegram channel, our current strength is 4948. Our Telegram channel current strength is 49548. If I get 52 members, we will reach 5000. Can you ask your friends to join, please? Our Telegram channel has 4948 number of members. If I need 52 members, if I get 52, I will get 5000 subscribe, 5000 followers. Can you please ask your friends to make it to 5000? Let's play a game. Let's play a game. Please ask all your parents, all your relatives, all your friends to join this channel. We will become 5000 today. We will become 5000 today. Please make it 5000. Now the count is 4948. Now the count is 4948. I need 52. Can you please make it 52? Can you please make it 52? Okay, I will explain this. Generate equal number of A's and D's, right? So S derives A, S, D. Generate equal number of A's and D's. S derives A, S, D. Equal number of A's and D's. Generate equal number of A's and D's. So S derives A, S, D. So what will S do? S will generate A, S, D, or S will generate A, S, D, right? So on. Now where are you going to stop it? You have to stop it somewhere. You have to stop it somewhere. Let us say I am stopping it with A, and it is the responsibility of A to generate equal number of B's and C's, which means A should generate B, A, C. Otherwise, A should generate B, A, C, right? B, A, C, B, A, C, right? Right. So A should generate BAC. A should generate BAC, or it is greater than or equal to 1, right? M is greater than or equal to 1, BC. Now, how do I connect S with A? If I directly write A here, what is the problem? Connection is there. From S to A, there is connection. But the problem is S will directly derive A and A will directly derive BC. But what is the minimal string? The minimal string in the language is ABCD, which means you have to get A here, D here, right? So A cannot generate BC directly. You have to put A here and D here. That is why before A, I am putting A, and before A, I am putting D. Everyone understood this? Everyone understood this? जी भर के नाच ले बेबी, नाच नाच के तोड़ दे सैंडल, आंटी पुलिस बुला लेगी तो आरबीआर कर लेगा హ్యాండిల్. ठीक है? పోత పోత పైసలన్నీ పట్టుకుపోతావారా, పెట్టుకున్నవన్నీ నువ్వు కట్టుకుపోతావారా, పోరి పోరి అంటూ దాన్ని చుట్టుకుంటావారా, సక్కపోసి పెగ్గేస్తా ఆ ఆ ఆ ఆ. డాన్స్ విత్ మీ. బ్యూటిఫుల్ క్వశ్చన్, రైట్? Beautiful question. Everyone understood this? Such a beautiful question. These are all RBR questions. These are all RBR questions. ठीक है? Now answer me this question. What was the last question? a power n, b power m, c power n, d power m, such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. Such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. Such that m comma n greater than or equal to 1. Give me the answer in Telegram channel. Give me the answer in Telegram channel. Answer this in the Telegram channel. Answer this in the Telegram channel. Fourth place Kogu is telling me how to teach. Please change the model. By I don't think that you are born when I was doing my BTech. When I was doing my BTech, I don't think that you are even born then. Isn't it? And you are advising me how to teach. What a joke. What a joke. Don't tell me how to teach. क्लास में अपना राज है, क्लास में अपना राज है, ठीक है. दिस क्लास इज माइन एंड इट विल गो द वे आई वांट इट, ठीक है. डोंट टेल मी व्हाट टू टीच, व्हाट नॉट टू टीच, ठीक है. एंड दिस इज आरबीआर. You are asking me to skip some questions. I know what to teach. Just follow me, okay? So here, A's and C's have to be generated, B's and D's have to be generated, right? So in Telegram, some people have tried to answer it. In Telegram, some people have tried to answer it, but the problem is this language is not context-free language. This language is not context-free language. This language is not context-free language. Therefore, context-free grammar is not possible, but context-sensitive language, so context-sensitive grammar is possible. We will see it later, okay? We will see this later. ठीक है. क्लास में अपना राज है, डरने की क्या बात है, ठीक है. I don't know if some people are able to understand my Hindi or not. Mostly I'm teaching in English only. Okay. Do this. A power m plus n, b power m, c power n. I am laying the foundation for context-free languages. I am laying the foundation for context-free languages. A power m plus n, b power m, c power n. A power m plus n, b power m, c power n. C power n. A power n plus n, b power m, c power n, such that n comma n greater than or equal to 0. क्लास में अपना राज है, डरने की क्या बात है, ठीक है. आंसर इट इन द टेलीग्राम चैनल. Debolina almost right. Debolina almost right. Debolina, almost right. Who is this? Rishi, very good. Rishi, you are using 3 color pens. That is very impressive. Rishi, very good. ऋषि वेरी गुड. ठीक है. रोशन, अभी अभी टाइटल चल रहा है, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है. रोशन, वी आर जस्ट सीइंग द टाइटल्स ऑफ द पिक्चर. Picture is going to come. Okay, then you will understand which language is regular, which language is context free, which language is context sensitive. You will understand them later, not now. Just take it easy for now. Okay, don't be serious, just take it easy. Okay, so how are you going to do this? Very few people have answered it. One is Rishi has answered it, and the other one is Shashank has answered it, and other one is Jiva has answered it. Only few people have answered it. Only few people have answered it. Only few people have answered it. ठीक है. How to answer this, guys? A power n, B power m, A power m, n, A power m, A power n, A power m, B power m, C power n, such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. I can write it like this, right? A power n plus m, I can write it like this. Now it is very simple, you can do it. Now it is very simple, you can do it, right? Between A's and C's, you have to put A's and B's. Between A's and C's, you have to put A's and B's. That's it. Between A's and C's, you have to put A's and B's. That's it, right? Right? So, what is that you are going to do? First, you are going to generate A's and C's. S derives A, S, C, right? Right. And then you have to generate A's and B's. A derives A, B or AB, because m comma n is greater than or equal to 1. So I am writing AB here. So A is generating A power n, B power n. S is generating A power n, C power n. Now you have to connect both of them. If I connect it like this, which means if S is generating A, S, C, and if S is generating A, S, C, you are going to connect it with A, right? Now the problem is, if I connect it with A, if I connect it directly with A, then what happens is S will go to A and A will generate AB. But what is the minimal string there? The minimal string there is AABC. AABC is the minimal string. Therefore, you have to put something before here. You have to put something before here, right? So, you have to write AC. Then what happens? AB will be having A first and then C next. Therefore, AABC will come. Therefore, AABC will come. ठीक है? ठीक है? Okay. Now I will introduce one more hero to you. India's pride. Indians. These two people are Indians. Nambi Narayan, Nandan Nilekan, Raghunandan, they are Indians. Have you heard about Nicholas Tesla? Nicholas Tesla is the most genius person ever born. He is genius than anyone else. Nicholas Tesla and Thomas Edison both were at the same time. Both were born at the same time, and Edison has become a businessman and Nicholas Tesla stayed a scientist. He died very poor, but he invented many things. You know alternating current, AC? Earlier there used to be only DC, direct current. Nicholas Tesla invented alternating current, right? And he has did so many things. I can't say all of them. You read about them. I'll give you a small history. Okay. In 1980s, electric power was chaotic and direct current systems, which means there used to be only direct current. There was no indirect, this AC alternating current, right? And they were very inefficient and dangerous. Direct current is very dangerous. Okay. Then he bet on alternating current. He invented alternating current and ensured that all the public square campaigns by industry rivals and built the first AC power plant. He is the one who built the first AC power plant at Niagara Falls in 1985, 1895. In 1895, on Niagara Falls, he has invented the first AC plant, alternating current plant, right? He could have become a billionaire, he could have become very rich, but he has open sourced everything. He didn't take any patents. There are no patents on Nicholas Tesla's name. But if you see Edison, he has lot of patents. He was a businessman, but Tesla is not a businessman. That is why Musk likes Tesla so much. That is why Musk has named all the cars as Tesla. Musk is a beautiful person. Not beautiful. Musk is a very humble person and his life is so simple. He is not after money. He wanted to serve the mankind and he is the real hero. He is the real hero. Okay. And his vision was electrified cities worldwide, lightening up the 20th century. Despite dying penniless, when he died, he didn't have a single rupee. When he died, he didn't have a single rupee, and his inventions were very popular at many houses till the day. What is the lesson? When your ideas shock the world, stick to your current, they will light up the future. See how beautiful this line is. When your ideas shock the world, stick to your current, they will light up the future. They will light up the future. ठीक है? Elon Musk is a great fan of Nikola Tesla. Even I love Nikola Tesla. There is a book on Nikola Tesla. Please read the autobiography of Nikola Tesla. You will be amazed by what he has done. I read this entire book. This is a great book. Nikola Tesla is a book which you should definitely buy and read. Okay? It will definitely inspire you. Okay, guys. Now let's do the next question. Let's do the next question. A power n, b power n plus m, c power n, such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. Such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. Do this and post it on the Telegram channel. I am seeing the Telegram channel. A power n, b power n, a power n, b power n plus m, c power n. A power n, b power n plus m, c power m. How are you going to do this? Answer me in the Telegram. I will check your answers. Answer me in the Telegram. Hmm. अनुज थोड़ा सा गलत है. शशांक थोड़ा सा गलत लग रहा है. नहीं नहीं, सही है शशांक. शशांक सही है. अतः अतः थोड़ा सा गलत है. थोड़ा सा गलत है अतः. थोड़ा सा गलत है. मैं कर दूं या आप करेंगे? मैं कर दूं या आप करेंगे? मैं कर दूं या आप करेंगे? ए पावर एन, बी पावर एन, बी पावर एम, सी पावर एन. इसमें थोड़ा सा गलत है. आई थिंक आई हैव राइटन इट रॉन्ग. व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? ए पावर एन, बी पावर एन प्लस एम, सी पावर एम है ये. दिस इज सी पावर एम. ए पावर एन, बी पावर एन प्लस एम, सी पावर एम है. नाउ यू कैन सॉल्व इट. Now answer it in the Telegram channel. Now answer it in the Telegram channel. Now everyone is able to answer it. Very good, Prashant. Very good, Harsh. Very good, Aditya. आदित्य थोड़ा सा बदलना पड़ेगा बट गुड. वेरी गुड अतय. थोड़ा सा बदलना पड़ेगा बट गुड. थोड़ा सा बदलना पड़ेगा. यू नीड टू चेंज ए लिटिल बिट बट यू आर गुड. प्रशांत वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड प्रशांत. Very good. Guys, now our subscribers have become 4950. Can you make it 5000 now? Our subscribers in our Telegram channel is 4950. If I get 50 more, I will become 5000. If I get 50 more, I'll become 5000. Can someone ask your friends to join and make it 5000 please? Just 50. I just need 50. If I get 50, I will be 5000 today and we will celebrate. Okay. So how can I write this, guys? I can write it as a power n, b power n, b power m, c power m. A power n, b power n, b power m, c power n, such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. Such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. A power n, b power n, b power m, c power n, such that n comma m greater than or equal to 1. You generate ABs, you generate BCs, and then you club them, right? So how can I generate AB? I can generate AB like this. A derives A, B, or AB. This will generate A power n, B power n. Now B derives B, B, C or BC. This will generate B power n, C power n, right? Now put them side by side. What will you get? S derives AB. S derives AB, right? What is this grammar? This is context-free grammar. What is this language? This language is not regular. Regular languages cannot do infinite comparison, but this language is context-free language, and the grammar is context-free grammar. Language is context-free language, and the grammar is context-free grammar. Grammar is context-free grammar. Okay, okay, okay. Now do for this one. A power n, B power m, C power m plus n, and write it in the Telegram channel. N comma m greater than or equal to 0. Write it in the Telegram channel. Write it in the Telegram channel. మళ్ళీ వస్తా. How do you do this? You can write it like this: A power n, B power m, C power m, C power n. How many of you have done it? I will check the Telegram channel. I will check the Telegram channel. How many of you have done it? Prashant, very good. Images are not loading. Debolina, very good. Sana, very good. Debolina, very good. Harshit, very good. Roshan, very good. Almost everyone has answered it. Okay. So let me answer it easily. Let me answer this. Okay. Let me answer this. So how are you going to answer it? You have to generate equal number of A's and C's, and then in between you have to put B's and C's. You have to generate equal number of A's and C's, and in between you have to put A's and C's, right? How are you going to do this? S derives. How are you going to do this? S derives A, S, C. S derives A, S, C. S derives A, S, C. Right, right. S derives A, S, C. Now what will S derive? S will derive A, S, C. S will derive A, S, C, so on. You have to stop it somewhere. Wherever you stop it, you have to generate equal number of B's and C's, right? So B, A, C. नहीं तो BAC, नहीं तो simply BC, right? So you have to stop it with A, and A is going to generate, BAC. A is going to generate BAC, and you can stop it with BC. You can stop it with BC, right? Now I can give a connection between S and A like this. But the problem with this is, what will happen here is, S will generate A will directly generate BC. But what is the minimal string in the language? The minimal string in the language is A, B, C, C is the minimal string. If you put n comma m as 1 comma 1, then ABCC is the minimal string, right? But you are getting AB here. So you have to add a and a C here. That is why you have to add a and a C here. Okay? Then you get the actual grammar. Got it? Now I will give you a question. If anyone answers this question, they will be in top 100. Challenge accept करते हैं? I will give you a question. No one will answer it. If someone can answer it, they will get into top 100. Challenge accepted hai? I will give you 5 minutes time. I will give you a question. I will turn off the comments. If anyone answers this, this question, they will be in top 100. Okay? Challenge accepted? Challenge accepted? Aniruddha? Abanti, Anuridha, Manish, Prashant. These are my top fans. Aniruddha, Abanti. Challenge accepted, hai? Okay. So tell me this. Aniruddha is my number one fan. Tell me this. Tell me this. What is the language? What is the language generated? What is the language generated by following grammar? What is the language generated by following grammar? What is the language generated by following grammar? S derives A or BS or epsilon. A derives AB or BA. B derives AS or BB. B derives AS or BB. What is the language generated by the following? What is the language generated by the following? Okay. Take 5 minutes of time and tell me the answer. Take 5 minutes of time. Tell me the answer. Do it in Telegram channel. Don't tell me the answer directly. Do it in the Telegram channel. मॉर्निंग मूवी नहीं देखता हूँ 50% aptitude 50% computer science water ticket based one person has answered it correctly. Only one person has answered it, and his name is Chandini. Very good, Chandini. Chandni has converted this grammar into finite automata. Chandni has converted this grammar into finite automata. S is the start state always. Whatever is the start symbol is the start state. S on small a is going to capital A, and S on small b is going to S, and S is epsilon. Therefore, S is the final state. S is the final state. A on small A on small a is going to small b. A on small a is going to capital B. A on small a is going to A on small a is going to capital B. A on small a is going to capital B. Capital B. A on small a is going to capital B. A on small b is going to A. A on small a is going to A. And A on small a is going to S. A on small a is going to S. And B on small b is going to B. B on small b is going to B. Right? B on small b is going to B. Right? So what is this language? The language is number of B's. The language is number of A's are congruent to 3 mod 3. Number of A's is congruent to number of A's, if you look at it, is congruent to 0 mod 3. Is congruent to 0 mod 3. Number of A's is congruent to 0 mod 3. Okay. अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. टेटेडे 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 टेटेडे. ठीक है. Let's take break, a small break. It is now 2 hours. Every hour I will take a small break. Small break for 3 minutes and we'll come back. Okay. Small break for 3 minutes and we'll come back. Okay. Okay, now let's try to convert regular expression to grammar. ठीक है? Till now what we have seen, till now what we have seen, we have taken a, I will introduce one more hero. His name is Grace Hopper. In 1944, computers filled rooms. मतलब there the machine used to be very big and spoke only machine language. In 1944, the computers used to be very big and they only spoke machine language. There were no C language or Python or Java. There was only machine language. As a Navy Rear Admiral and a computer scientist, he developed the first compiler in 1952. The first compiler is developed in 1952 by Grace Hopper, allowing programmers to write in English like instructions. You might call it COBOL. So he invented COBOL, right? And he called it common sense. COBOL is nothing but common sense. Despite skepticism that machines couldn't understand our language, many people criticize that machines will not understand our language. His work paved the way for the modern software development. Now, the entire software development is done in high level language thanks to the hero Grace Hopper. Okay. So, what is the lesson you should learn? Break the barriers by building translators. Turning turning complexity into clarity fuels every technological revolution. Okay? This is about Grace Hopper, who has invented high level programming language called COBOL in the year 1952. In the year 1952, he has done this, right? This is a hero to me. He is a hero. He is a hero, not the people you are seeing, right? आप देखते हैं ना शाहरुख खान, सलमान खान, आमिर खान, ऋतिक रोशन, वो हीरोज नहीं है. दीज आर द रियल हीरोज. और आप देखते हैं ना इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब में, वो हीरोज नहीं है. दे आर नॉट द हीरोज. दीज पीपल आर द हीरोज. आई विल शो यू हु द हीरोज आर. ओके, whom to follow. Now we have seen converting. We have converted finite automata to right linear grammar, but we have not converted finite automata to left linear grammar. This topic is pending. Now you can convert a right linear grammar to a finite automata. This is pending. And you can convert a left linear grammar to a finite automata. This is also pending. We will see all these three now. We will see all these three now. Okay. Now let us see how to convert RBR rules. RBR rules to convert RBR rules to convert right linear grammar to finite automata. How to convert right linear grammar to finite automata using RBR rules. Okay. If you have a production like this, A derives epsilon, then A is final state. Then A is final state. Then A is final state. If I have a production like this, A derives small a, A derives small a, then what I will do is I will take the state and then I will take some state x and I will make it final and I will put a here and I will put a here. Okay. Okay. Now, if you have A derives BA, what is going to happen here is A derives BA. What is going to happen here is A on seeing a B will go to a state and on seeing a will go to a state and it will become final, right? Now, if you have S derives B, if this is the production, then what do you do? S on A will go to a state. The state names are not important. On A will go to a state. On B, it will accept. On B, it will accept. On B it will accept. Okay. Now I will give you one more question. Now I'll give you one more question. No one will be able to answer it. If you answer it, you will get in 100, top 100. Challenge accepted. Are you going to accept the challenge that I'm going to give you one question? No one will be able to answer it. If you are able to answer it, you will get into top 100. Are you ready for the challenge? Are you ready for the challenge? Are you ready for the challenge? Okay. I'll give you the question and I'll give you 5 minutes. The question is S derives AA or BC. A derives AS or BB or epsilon. B derives AC or BA. C derives AB or BS. C derives AB or BS. C derives AB or BS. ठीक है, ठीक है. What is the language? What is the language? Tell me what is the language. Okay. Take 5 minutes time. Take 5 minutes time and tell me what the language is. If you are able to answer it, you will get into top 100. You will get into top 100. Okay. Tell me the answer in 5 minutes. बहुत आंसर्स आ रहा है लेकिन सही नहीं आ रहा. What is the language? Tell me the language, not the finite automata. Tell me the language, not the finite automata. ठीक है. Tell me the language. Some people are able to answer this. So the only thing is, whenever a very big grammar is given, it will mostly be a mod machine or a grid machine. This will mostly be a mod machine or a grid machine, right? So what happens is, LC is the starting state. Now the problem is, where should I place A? In most of the cases, it will be a grid machine, right? So I am directly drawing the grid machine. You may ask me, sir, how do you know? You may ask me, sir, how do you know that it is a grid machine? With practice, I am able to do this. This is whenever four or more variables are there, three or four, generally four variables are there. Generally, it is a mod machine. Okay. So S derives A, S derives A, and then B, and then C. S on A is going to A. S on A is going to A. And S on B is going to C. S on B is going to C. Right? Right? A on small a is going to S. A on small b is going to B. A on small b is going to B. A on small b is going to B. B on small a is going to C. B on small a, B on small a is going to C here. B on small a is going to C. And C on B is going to S. C on B is going to S. Right. And then we have to fill C on A. C on A is going to B. This is what we got. Now, what is the final state? A derives epsilon is the final state, right? A derives epsilon is the final state. So, this is the final state. This is the final state. This is the final state. Now, tell me, what is the language accepted? Everyone should say what is the language accepted. Now, you have to use RBR method. You have to use RBR method. Okay, I told you initially about RBR method. You can use RBR method here. You can use RBR method here. You can use RBR method here. At least now tell me, what is the language accepted by using RBR method? By using RBR method. using RBR method. What is RBR method? Draw two lines, one line here and one line here. I will use a different color better. I will use a different color. So this is the final state, right? Draw one line here and draw one line here, right? Right? Now, what is this line? Now, what is this line? This line has, what is this line? This line has even number of B's. This line has even number of B's. है ना? This line has even number of B's. Just see this. This line has even number of B's. 0 B's, 1 B, 2B, 0 B's, 1B, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, right? So this is even number of B's. This is even number of B's, right? Now what is this line? What is this line? This line is, if you look at it, odd number of A's. A's are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is odd number of A's, right? Therefore, what is the answer, guys? The answer is even number of B's and odd number of A's. Even number of B's and odd number of A's. This is the answer. Even number of B's and odd number of A's. This is the answer. Even number of B's and odd number of A's is the answer. Right? Right? So I will give you one question. I'll give you one question. I'll give you one question. Try to take it as homework and solve it. Try to take it as home. 1 minute. Try to take it as homework and solve it. Convert this. What is this? This is right linear grammar. You convert it into left linear grammar. This is your homework. Take this right linear grammar, convert it into left linear grammar. Yeah, we will be giving you DPPs every day. Acha, you are not getting the questions in the channel, is it? Are you on Telegram channel? Guys, we will do one thing. Come on Telegram channel, I'll come live. 1 minute, let me arrange the Telegram live. Come on Telegram channel and let's go live. Come on to Telegram channel and let's go live. 1 minute, I'm arranging the event. You can solve your you can talk your problem in the Telegram live. Okay. I'm arranging a Telegram live. All of you come to Telegram live. I am conducting a live session. आपके द्वारा डायल किया गया नंबर अभी व्यस्त है या इस Can someone tell me? कुछ समय पश्चात पुनः प्रयास करें. नंबर यहाँ on. Please try later. I'm coming on Telegram live. Can someone tell me how to come Telegram live? Just a minute. I'm coming on Telegram live. Just a minute.
गुड इवनिंग सर.
टेलीग्राम में लाइव जाना है. कैसे जाना है? हेलो.
कितने बजे जाना सर?
अभी मुझे जाना है.
और सर आप तो आइडिया को मेरे पास एक्सेस तो है नहीं है. इससे पहले आप जाते थे.
क्रांति करते थे.
एक बार सर उनको कनेक्ट करो.
वो कनेक्ट नहीं हो पा रहा है.
गौरव को बोलो सर आप.
ठीक है, गौरव को बोलता हूँ. Guys, please don't go anywhere. I'm going to come on live in Telegram and we are going to chat. Okay? I'm going to come on live in Telegram. We are going to chat. Please don't go anywhere. Okay? Don't go anywhere.
The person.
ठीक है. नो वन इज पिकिंग. रोहित, इसका एसएमई कौन है? ये बैच मैनेजर कौन है? इसका बैच मैनेजर
आबिद है.
आप भी तो. ओके, ठीक है.
इस नंबर पर अभी इनकमिंग कॉल्स रिसीव नहीं हो रही. कृपया थोड़ी देर में ट्राई करें.
ठीक है guys, I will end the class today. We will meet tomorrow. Okay? One more small change. Tomorrow we don't have class. We have class on Sunday. Next class is on Sunday. Next class is on Sunday. Don't miss the class. Okay? Next class is on Sunday. Don't miss the class. Okay?